hates me. And hope you guys have had a good weekend. Today I'm going to share with you a fusion I did of two of my personal favorite characters. And if you haven't already, it would mean a lot to me if you would like and subscribe. Alright, let's get straight into it. What is happening, you guys? It's your boy LDAWB coming at you with a new video and an unholy matrimony of two of my favorite characters of all time. Props to X2 for the idea of this nasty, crazy combo of two of my favorite characters of all time, Zack Fair from FF7 and Raiden from Metal Gear Rising: Revengeance. And I have expressed to him how jealous I have been for this crazy, sick idea. So shouts out to you, X2. You are the man, and I will definitely do this character more in the future. And so I have, and this may be a corny name. You guys may just make fun of me for the rest of my life for this, but you know what? It's okay. He's an original character, and I've called him by the name of ZAIDEN. Alright, so moment of silence. I know it's corny, but that's what I'm going to call him. So there you go. So as you can see, I'm basically combining Raiden, of which I've already built and modeled prior and last year for another commission I did, one of my first videos actually, and Zack, of which I have used excessively, specifically in 2020 when the remake came out, and just combined the two, added gloves, added some props from Cloud from prior, and added a jacket upon X2's request. And I was just telling my girlfriend, I was like, this is nasty. This is a nasty combo. And I was just like shaking my head this entire time. I was like, this is unnecessary but so cool. And I know I keep saying this, but guys, this is why this commission was so fun to do. It wasn't just some obligatory is not a word, my bad. I wasn't obliged. I actually wanted to do this. This was actually a fun piece that I actually enjoyed doing. And it's not that I don't enjoy doing all my work. It's just every once in a while you'll do a commission that just hits your heart. And this really hit me in ways that are incomprehensible. And I'm just making words up, but anyway, who cares, right? Who cares? X2, see what you did, man. See what you did. This is crazy. But here I am, back to this process. Here I am, just adding the eyes, adding some of the things I've already done for Cloud, and adding some of the blue eyes. And yeah, for those who are just tuning in and not knowing who I am, my process involves the 3D first. Well, not the 3D. It actually involves the sketch first, and then the 3D, and then the 2D, of which I use Procreate to draw over these models. And as you can see, I actually do the models. I actually model them. So this is not cheating. This is not me downloading things from the internet. This is me genuinely building things that I've created already. So I thoroughly believe that if you've modeled 3D models yourself, you have every right to draw over them. And that's all I have to say about that. Now, here I am, already through a C4D. I'm throwing it into Blender, into a file that I did for Cloud, and downloading, an FBX of that same kind of file format and dropping it here and fandangling with the lights. And again, nasty, crazy combination. And another thing, the sword. I don't know if I failed or succeeded in this. I think I failed. But that sword is supposed to be an authentic version of a Buster Sword sniper rifle. Now say that twice as fast. Buster Sword sniper rifle. With material slots up. As you can see, the material slots are pretty much a little bit over excessive, but Buster Sword sniper rifle. Yeah, just not. It's not practical. Doesn't make sense. But seeing that this is an unholy matrimony already, why not? Why not go bonkers? And I thought that gun was over the top, but it worked. It worked. So definitely will be doing more versions of this character, ZAIDEN, in the future for sure. Maybe redoing the weapon again, making it a little bit more comprehensible. But here I am putting all the lights together, the red on the side, and of course the materials are all the same color, but I'll change them all to different colors, and changing the variety of them and whatnot. And another thing also is the hair, and I was making sure that both of the characters melded together. I didn't want it to look like Raiden more than Zack. I wanted to make sure that the combination had a mesh of the two properly, and one of those things was the hair. I think that the hair, X2 was wanting to see if the white and the black could be melded together, and originally I was going to have a black patch of hair on the top, but it looked too much like Raiden. As you can see, it didn't look like Zack at all, so I made the switch, and as you can see here, it's from white to black. So I hope that was good and a conscious effort to kind of pay homage to Zack as well. And here I am already in Procreate, just drawing over the 3D model, which I've done in Blender. So for those who are new, C4D, Blender, and then Procreate. And just like I was mentioning in my previous videos, I wanted to get away from kind of this trivial process. I love to draw, don't get me wrong, but I want to draw and challenge myself and try to do this all in Blender and using grease pencil and kind of enabling that process and getting out of my comfort zone, if you will, and trying to just draw on there. So for the most part, I think the more and more that I'm doing this line art over 3D art, I'm gradually getting to a point to where it's like I can do all this in a 3D program, so why am I doing it in Procreate? I don't know, maybe I'm just going crazy. But here it is, pretty much in its final form almost. I've changed the colors of the material slots, added some thunder, and as you can see, this is the first version of this character, so I'm going to add a 0-1 on his leg. As you can see there's going to be more versions coming soon, so don't you worry about that. And here it is, it's all done. Here's the final version. Shouts out to X2, shouts out for you guys watching. I appreciate that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And thank you again, my patrons. I really I cannot express how grateful I am. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.